The new Telescopic Lift Mascara by L'Oreal. This right here is an instant lifted mascara with intense volume and length. Let's try it out. It's viral for a reason, right? Let's see if it's gonna give me falsies. One side, I have my lashes curled, and the other side, all natural. I wanna see if it's gonna give me that instant lift right away. We're gonna start on the right side without curling, and I'm going to use basically the center. They call it the front hook to create basically the lift. It's a very black mascara, and it's a little bit more of that goopy formula, not extremely wet, but goopy. I'm just gonna run it through. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the side hook right there, and I'm just going to comb through to separate, define, and lengthen. It's clumping it. Don't like that yet. 2 coats, and I tried to separate as much as possible. The overall result is clumpy. Let's do the left eye. If you want to build this mascara up for volume, for length, etc., it is a heavier formula. It will make your lashes drop with the curl and the lift, or if you don't have natural curly lashes like myself. With this, I would go back in and recurl using my eyelash curler to get more of that lift, but it's good enough. I'm okay with it, but it did drop my curl on the left eye with the second coat. With the first coat, it gave me very natural wispy lashes with a really subtle mascara, which I'm okay with. But like I said, if you want that volume out of this mascara, it's quite heavy and it's kind of difficult to build up because it is a goopier formula. I would say for the claims, so the first one is an instant lift. I don't think there's an instant lift. The only thing there instant is the black formula because it is really intense and black. So if you have natural light lashes like myself, there will be an instant mascara or an instant lift. But in my experience, it's dropping the lashes quite a bit because of the heavier formula, but it is lengthening to a point. I'm not seeing the 5 millimeters, but overall, I think it's a good black mascara that's more intense, but it is a clumpier formula. In my opinion, the brush is not my favorite to work with. I mentioned that it has these 2 hooks. You have the bristles in the center with a big gap with the side bristles or the side hooks or the side combs, whatever they call them. But then on the other side or the bottom, there are no bristles. It reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Mascara, and that one is similar enough, but this wand, it's a little difficult to work with, and that's why it's resulting with clumpier lashes. But it's also a look in its own right. I guess it just depends on what you're looking for. Let's see how this mascara wears. I'm intrigued. I'm excited. Last time I did it, I had falsies on, and there was some transfer. But this time, it's all the mascara. This is what we're looking like 3 hours in. There's quite a bit of flaking and transfer on the lower lash line. But otherwise, the top lashes, they look good. They didn't drop further with the initial application. Okay, this is only 7 hours in with the mascara, and that's what we're looking like. Obviously, quite a bit of transfer, still flaking, and I've been trying to kind of clean up since the first update, just because I don't want to be looking like this. But yeah, there's a little bit of flaking at the top and the bottom. So not flake resistant, not smudge resistant, and not transfer resistant. Don't like that. I will say the top lashes still look pretty good. I'm not seeing any transfer in the top lashes, so that's good on my top eyelid. But yeah, starting to look pretty bad. I'm gonna take it off right now because I'm not going anywhere, but we're 7 hours in, and I think we'll get the gist of how this is gonna keep wearing on me. But like I said, I also had transfer the first time I've ever tried this mascara, and that was when I was wearing false lashes. And I've worn this maybe one more time since. I don't know if it was twice or just once, but I didn't wear it that often. And I didn't do it on the lower lash line, but on the top lash line, it was fine. And I did it more natural instead of like this, but there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and spending time with me. And I'll see you next one. Bye.